Hello, my absolutely amazing financial fashionistas. This is Joy with JoyfulBudgetingCo, and it's Taco Tuesday! Today we're filling our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelopes, learning from our sweet Succulent about inspiring others through our own growth, and the life of friends who are Christmas crazy. Saving for Christmas all year round and discovering that stability comes from our growth at our own pace while encouraging those around us. Let's blend smart savings with joyful living. That's the recipe for stability. Today, for our variable challenges, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $300 to put towards our challenges. Now, that means you know that I'm ready because we have one in here that is spicy. We are going to start with our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. And today is the 17th. So we are going to mark off our 17 here. And in the back, we should have $17. For those that are doing Taco Tuesday with me, what are you putting this challenge towards? $10, $15, $16, $17. I am putting this challenge towards my month ahead. It's one of many that's going to make such a large goal so much fun. So now in Taco Tuesday, we have 120, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. $150 saved in Taco Tuesday. Now it's time for us to jump into a lot of fun. We are going to start things out a little bit calm with our life of friends who are Christmas crazy. And today we are going to do just one of our knockout rounds. So we are going to roll our 6-sided die, and we have 1 as our knockout number. So we're going to write the number 1 right up here, and let's get to rolling. We have 2 for our first roll, 4 for the next one, 5 for our next, 4 for the next one. And if we do not get a 1, we will be saving the value of all of them, and that is another 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 2 is $17 that we are saving today in our Christmas Wipeout Challenge. So that's 10, 15, 16, $17. And next we have our Christmas challenge here. It says Christmas letters. Let's see how much we're saving. Today we are going to scratch off 3 of these because this is week 3. So we're gonna go right up here, and that's $12. So that's 10, 11, 12. And then I'm gonna scratch off right here. And we are adding $6, so 5, 6. Our last scratch off will be this one here. We're adding an additional 9. So let's see, we can put 1 back and get a 10, which means now we have 10, 20, 35, 40. Oh, we can get another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're saving $44 in our life of friends who are Christmas crazy. In this challenge, the total saved is 100, 200, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 47, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a total of $364 saved in the life of friends who are Christmas crazy. Next, we are going to move into the spicy of all spicy challenges for this month, the life of a succulent who wants to inspire others. And in this challenge, we are going to start things off with our royalty challenge. Remember, we are going to either keep rolling until we have marked off 13 of these cards, or we reach $99, whichever comes first. So we are going to roll our six-sided die to find out which row we're going on, and we have a 6 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on this row, we only have 2 spaces that remain, which means it's number 1, 2, 3, number 4, and 5. So let's give it a roll and see what we're getting. So we have 5. So we will be saving for our last ace, and aces are $15. So here's our 15 here. Let's give it another roll. And we're on row 1, and for this row, we have our ten-sided die, and we are going to see which one of these we are saving. And we have 9, but 9 is already taken up because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to roll again. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are saving $6. 5, 6. Now it's time to roll our six-sided die again to see which row. We're on row 5. So that's this one here. And now we are going to roll our 8-sided die to figure out which one we're saving. We need a 1 or an 8. We've got a 5, so we've got to roll again. We've got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is a queen. And up here we say queens are $10. So that's a 10. So now we're going to trade these in for a 20 here. And these 2 5s in for a 10. Keep our smaller bills available to us as we save. All right. And next, we are rolling to find out which row. So it's row 3, 1, 2, 3. And let's see where we're going. We're going to number 1, which is $2. We will mark this off. Give us another roll. We're on row 3 again, and we are going to roll to see where we're headed. And it says 1, and so we're going to have to roll again. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. So that means we're saving $4. So we're going to put this 1 back and get a 5. Let's roll the six-sided die once more. We got 2. So this is row 2. And we need our 10-sided die to see where we're going. And it's 10, but there's only 9. So we're going to go again. It's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're saving $6. 5, 6. So now we can get another 20. Let's keep rolling. We've got row 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we only have 1 left, which is a king. So we will be saving $10. We will roll again. It's a 5. So this is row 5, and we only have 1 remaining there as well, with it, which is the Jack of Hearts. So that is another $10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 10, put it here, and we've got another 20. And we are going to roll once more. So now it's just 1 through 4. So we've got 5. We can't do that. We've got row 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's roll our 10-sided die. And it's number 1. We've already done that one. and it's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've already done that one as well. We've got 8 here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've already done that one. Goodness. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are we gonna make it out? We've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are saving $6. That's 5, 6. Gonna roll again because we've only done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are still in it here. Row 3 again. And we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are saving $5. That means we can take this 5 and get a 10. We're gonna roll again. We've got 4. So row 4 is this one here. And let's see where we land. We've got 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are saving $8. We're gonna get 2 from here. And I think we had a 10. Yes, so that means we can get another 20. We will roll once more. We've got row 5, we've already completed that. Row 3, and let's see, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're saving $8. I can take 2 1s and get a 10. All right, we are down to just $9 remaining because we have $90 saved so far. Let's see. Row 5, we've already done. Row 6, we're already done. Row 3, let's see. We've got 1, and we've already done that one. And we've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So this is what I'm gonna do. The next roll, if it's even, we'll do 10. If it's odd, we'll do 3, since we only have 3 and 10 available. So let's see. We have even because we rolled a 2. So we're saving $10, which means we are done. We're gonna take this 10 here. And now we've saved a total of $100 with this challenge. So let's see how much we have remaining. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 7 is 19, that row. And then we've got 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 7 is 13, plus 8 is 21, plus 9 is 30, plus 10 is 40. And then we've got $3 remaining on this row. And then 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 9 is 23, plus 10 is 33. So we have $95 remaining. I think we will have enough put aside for us to be able to complete this next week. Next, on this side, we are scratching off 2 of our spaces. So I'm gonna go right here for this one, which is $5. Then right here for our last scratch. And we are saving an additional $2. 1, 2. So now in the life of a succulent who wants to inspire others, we're saving 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6, 7, $107. And our quote for the day is, go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you imagined. Henry David Thoreau. So now in the life of a succulent wants to inspire others, we have saved 100, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 87, 88, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $505 saved in the life of a succulent who wants to inspire others. These are some pretty powerful and spicy challenges. And that's another delicious Taco Tuesday complete. Our life of a succulent showed us that stability comes from growing steadily, inspiring others through our own journey, and understanding that we bloom at our own perfect pace. That's wisdom we're building on. Thank you for creating financial balance today, my incredible financial fashionistas. You're proving that stability is delicious. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. reminding you that steady growth creates extraordinary results. Keep inspiring and growing, and I'll see you tomorrow for our Kawaii Coffee 90 Days Locked In.